Hi from the Iowa Great Lakes. I'm Kirk Stoss with Stoss Realty. And in our ongoing series on the whole real estate process, one of the things in the banking part of it is what we call the loan application. And that's kind of at the very beginning of the stage. And today, Cindy Mart with Central Bank is here. And if possible, I would like her to tell us what's involved in that initial loan application and what a banker will ask you for. Cindy, please tell us.
Perfect, thanks. So the first step in probably the home buying process is completing that application. Lots of ways you can get an application. Most banks are going to have a website that you can go on their website and complete an application. I personally have an app that you can download on your phone for free of charge. You can fill out an application on a phone, or even better yet, come in and meet in person with your lender and fill that application out together. But by filling that application out, you can go over loan options with your lender. If you're a first-time home buyer, there's special programs for there. Maybe you've already been a first-time home buyer and you're looking for some more conventional options. There's some VA options, there's FHA options. So many options out there when you're buying a house. So I think that's critical, is to meet with your lender and see which option is going to be best for you. And from there, you can determine kind of purchase price. I know sometimes people will think their purchase price is maybe here, but then when they meet with their lender and they see what the monthly payment is going to be once you add in your taxes and your insurance, maybe that's a little high for them. So maybe we look at a different purchase price and can kind of compare that to your monthly payment and see where that comfort level is, because they're the ones who have to write that check out each month. So I think that's critical that you're comfortable with the payment and maybe not so much the purchase price that you can get pre-qualified for. But when you come into your lender, you're going to complete that application. Critical things to bring is going to be like your income docs. So maybe you're a W-2 wager. Your lender's going to ask you for your W-2. They're going to ask you for a full 30 days pay stubs. So if you get paid monthly, maybe it's only one pay stub. If you get paid bi-weekly, it's going to be 2 pay stubs. Weekly, they're going to want 4 pay stubs. If you're a self-employed borrower, then they're typically going to want 2 years tax returns. That's the kind of where they're going to pull the income off from your tax returns. Other things that you'd want to bring is maybe bank statements. Typically, you're going to have a down payment, or you're going to maybe have closing costs that they're going to want to document that you have those funds in your accounts for. And from there, there'll be other things, I guess, later on in the process, but that initial process, that initial completing the application, income docs, bank statements are going to probably be your critical things that you're going to want to bring to closing to document those items for your qualification.
Wonderful. Thank you, Cindy. And that's Cindy Mart from Central Bank. And we have some wonderful banks and great people in our area. So think local when you think of banking. It will make it a world easier for everyone. Thank you all.